Hi guys, this is Mohammad Mohiddin. I want to share the solution of media picture pack of Windows 10. In this sense, Windows 10 need media picture pack to run camera, games, etc. This is the problem for many users. So I solved the problem. Example, when you run camera, you need media picture pack. I screenshot that is problem. You need media picture pack. That option show when you run camera. Let's go how to download media picture pack. Okay, first one you have to know Windows 10 version that you are downloaded or in setup. This is media creation tool 1803. That way I download media Windows 10 ISO file that is set up in my PC. You have to know this number version. Let's go how to download media picture pack. Okay, let's do Google. Type media picture pack. Media picture pack Windows 10 kg. First option you click. Here the option Microsoft software download service. This is the section edition, and this option you click. Here we see 3 version 1809, 183, 1709. My version is show 1803. So I select 1803 and confirm. And 32 bit and 64 bit. This software is 64 bit installed. Okay, download. It have 118 MB. You need some minute to download. Actually, this features I download, and that's proof here. Install this flag. Okay. It is easy to install, like as other software. Okay guys, this way you install media picture pack and enjoy camera, games, etc. Please like, comment, share this video and subscribe this channel. Okay, thanks.